Good morning, guys. आज डेट कस्तो बाहिरको हेर्नै नसक्यो. Anyways, good morning, guys. अहिले चाहिँ 8:30 भएको छ. म चाहिँ आज VFS Fullow जाँदैछु. हिजो मेरो साथीले कल रिसिभ भएछ साथीलाई. सो मेरो चाहिँ फोन नम्बर थिएन, साथीको नम्बर आएको फोन, अनि मेरो नाममा फोन आएको रहेछ. सो म चाहिँ अब अहिले त्यहीँ जाँदैछु बिकज मैले पासपोर्ट दिएको थिएँ. So today is my very special day because today I am going to receive my passport, stamp passport. So I'm really glad to get that news. So म चाहिँ त्यही जाँदैछु. Hopefully अब केही समयमा I will reach that VFS Global Canada. Meantime, I got some good news. The news is today I am going to receive my passport. Well, they didn't mail me. Actually, I got the news through my friends. They called to my friends, and my friends informed me. Someone searching for you from there. So that's why I'm going straight to the VFS unit. Bus started because I don't want to use a cab, because distance one थोड़े सा cab I'm going to use cab चाहिँ म emergency use गरेँ मात्रै use गर्छु, so that I don't need to use cab. म आइपुग्न लागेँ VFS Global. बसमा आएको थिएँ गाइस है. अब बसबाट भर्खर ओर्ले VFS Global. एक्चुअली ऊ त्यो चाहिँ हाम्रो अफिस हो. हाम्रो एचआर अफिस त्यही बिल्डिङमा छ. अनि यो चाहिँ एउटै एरिया हो. यो अल हाम्रो टावर, यो बिल्डिङ, अनि यो VFS Global सबै एउटै ठाउँमा छ. within 5 minutes I will reach the VFS. Then के हुन्छ होला, I'm really super excited है, because I'm extremely waiting for this day है. भिसा लिन जानको लागि डिफ्रेन्ट त हुन्छ क्या, एउटा एक्साइटमेन्ट हुन्छ क्या. त्यो पनि क्यानाडा युएसको भिसा भन्नुपर्छ हल्का हल्का मान्छे धेरै नै एक्साइटमेन्ट हुन्छ क्या है. सो म जाँदैछु.
जैसे कोई चांद को छूना चाहे, चाहूं तुझे जैसे कोई.
I'm in VFS, so just right now I just received my passport stamp, and I just checked, already open, guys. I was very excited, so that I opened it and it's just stamped, and I'm really happy. And thank you, this VFS Global. Elevator is also opened, so right now I'm in 5th floor, and ground floor I should go. So guys, I'm really excited. Finally I got a visa for Canada. I'm really excited, guys. Really, today I'm really glad. This is my dream. This is my dreams come true. I don't know. I have no words how I explain my happiness. Finally, I received my visa stamp passport.
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया.
And right now I have to go on my duty. I will show you my stamp, but later. But I just telling you I got a visa for Canada, and it's a really great things for me. Really, honestly, it's great things for me. It was my dream, guys. Finally, म भर्खर आउटेँ VFSबाट. सो अब मलाई जानु छ बस चढ्न, बिकज मेरो 11 बजेदेखि ड्युटी छ. God, I'm really happy, guys. I'm sharing my happiness with you. I just come out from the VFS and that visa stamp is with me. I'm really happy. I'm really excited where I fly for Canada, guys. But one disappointing thing is, I have to work for 3 months, which is really long. Actually, 3 months is not so long, but when you got visa for US, Canada, or England, so this time is really long. I know it's normally 3 months, it doesn't matter, but when you are waiting for some special moment, then this time is really hard for you. So that's the thing it is, guys. And okay, so I have to get some bus so that I can reach my place. I have duty, guys. I don't want to make delays and kind of delays. So this is it, guys. I'm just sharing my experience with you, how I get my visa. I'm recording it because of this is the memory I can see in the futures. This is the memory I can see in the future, so that I'm just recording it. I'm not telling my blah 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 or something. I'm just recording it because of this video I can see on the futures. So that, but it's a great thing, guys. I'm living in Kuwait. I am living in Kuwait. This country give me very many things, but I'm not satisfied to stay in Kuwait. I want to go somewhere else, but I got visa. Oh my god, for Canada. Canada is naturally very beautiful. Money you could get everywhere else, but place is really matter, guys. So that I want to move to Canada. So finally my dreams come true.